Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to take the lower unit off a Mercury Outboard. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. This prevents any accidental engine starts while you are working. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a good set of wrenches and sockets. Finally, ensure your outboard engine is securely supported, either on a stand or with a transom saver, keeping it in an upright position for easier access. Before proceeding, it is crucial to completely drain the gear lubricant from the lower unit. Position a suitable drain pan underneath, then remove both the vent and drain screws. Allow all the old lubricant to flow out. Once drained, locate the trim tab, usually found just above the propeller. Remove the single bolt holding it in place, then carefully detach the trim tab itself. This action will expose a critical, often hidden mounting bolt. Now, let's focus on removing the main mounting bolts. You will typically find 2 bolts on each side of the lower unit, usually positioned just above the cavitation plate. Use the appropriate size socket to loosen and remove these 4 bolts. Remember that hidden bolt we uncovered by removing the trim tab? Go ahead and remove that one too. Depending on your Mercury model, there might be a total of 5 or 6 bolts holding the unit in place. With all the bolts removed, it's time to carefully separate the lower unit. Gently but firmly pull the unit straight down. It should begin to slide free from the midsection. Pay close attention to the shift shaft and the drive shaft as they disengage. You want to avoid any bending or damage. If it feels stuck, double-check for any missed bolts. Once fully separated, carefully lower the unit and place it on a stable, clean surface for any necessary maintenance or repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.